Since my very early involvement in politics, I've also been involved in the peace movement, and particularly the movement to abolish nuclear weapons. So I was delighted this week in Strasbourg that Beatrice Finn of ICAN, which is the international campaign to abolish nuclear weapons, was here to speak to us in Parliament. Last year, ICAN were awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. And it was a real inspiration to hear her words, reminding all of the politicians here in Parliament that while nuclear weapons may not be on the top of our agenda, if we don't tackle this issue, then we are going to run out of time, because the world is still in a very dangerous position. There are still nuclear weapons across Europe and across the rest of the world. So I hope that people listen to her words. I hope that other members will go back and lobby their governments and, as she put it, show real leadership in building a better and a more peaceful and a safer world.